Good morning children, how are you all? This is your second maths class. Let's see what we are going to study today. In the last class we had learned how to write the number names for the numerals. Now we are going to study how to write the numerals for the number names. So writing numerals for number names. So how will you write the numerals for the number names? You remember place value chart, right? Okay. Let us see one example. Number name 5268. This is the number name. Now how you will write this number name to numerals? How will you convert this number name to numerals? First you know the place value chart, right? Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousand, right? So first check where is this 5000. So where you will write this 5 you will write it in thousands place, and 200, so 2 you will write it in hundreds place. 68, 60 means it is in tens place, so you can write 6 here and 8 you can write it here. Got it? So this is nothing but 5000 plus 200 plus 6 tens plus 8 ones. 5268. How can you write it in a place value chart? 8 is in ones place, 6 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place and 5 is in thousands place. So 5000 plus 200 plus 3 tens plus 8 ones. So you will write it, join all the numbers together. So you can write it 5268. I think you got it. If the number name is given, just write it in a place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. After that, you write what is the number first. It starts from 5000. So 5000. So write 5 in thousands place. And 200. 2 you can write it in hundreds place. 60. 60 means it is in tens place. So write 6 in tens place. And 8 is in ones place. Join all the numbers together and write the numerals. We'll give you one more example. $8,386. So write the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So how will you write? First you have 8000. So 8 you have to write it in thousands place. And 300, 3 write it in hundreds place, and 8, 308. Is there any tens place values here? No, there is no values in tens place. So you can put 0 there, and next you have 8. 8 you can write it in ones place. So you can write it as 8000 plus 300s plus 0 tens plus 8 ones. Got it? So join all the numbers together. 8308. 8308. This is your answer. This is how you will find number names, writing numerals from the given number names. Our next topic is even and odd numbers. Okay, do you remember last class you had learnt that skipping counting by twos? Yes, let us recall that once again. Skipping counting by twos. So, even and odd numbers. So, we are going to study even and odd numbers. Do you remember skip counting by twos? Let us draw the number line first. Number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and at last 10. Yes. Now we are going to skip the numbers by twos. So you will start from 0. 1 place and 2 place. We skipped 2. 1, 2. Next 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Just round off the numbers where it reached. That first you start from 0. Then from 0 to it reach 2. Next 4. Next 6. Next 8. At last 10. So what you understood from this? I have circled. We are skipping the numbers counting by twos. So how will you write this? Here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 are even numbers, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Got it? Here we are skipping counting by twos and you will start from 0. So 0 to 2 and 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8 and 8 to 10. You know how to skip counting by 2s, 3s and 5s. Am I right? So like that only we are going to do this. By doing this, you know that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. And this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Okay, I'll tell you one more example that even numbers is the number which can be paired. That is, each number will have the partner. That is your even number. And odd number cannot be paired. An even number is a number that can be paired. You will have the partner. An odd number is a number that cannot be paired. So let us draw some figures for even numbers. For even, okay, I'll give you few examples for even and odd. I'm going to draw small circles for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and for odd, I have drawn a small circles for you. What you understood from the small circles? I told you even number is a number that can be paired and odd number is a number that cannot be paired. That is, even number has a partner and this odd number does not have a partner. So, just this circle has a partner and the next circle has a partner. Third circle is also has a partner. And this circle is also has a partner. So how many circles you have totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So you can say 8 is an even number. Here just to check, odd, partner, and the second circle will also have the partner. Third circle has the partner, but fourth circle is alone. So you can say how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 circles are there. So if the number is odd, you will not have the partner. That is, the number cannot be paired. But for even number, the numbers can be paired. So you can say the 7 is an odd number. In simple, we can say that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you have, just imagine what are the single digit number. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 numbers are there. Sorry, 10 numbers are there. These 10 numbers are single digit number. And the single digit number, you can say, if you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, then you can say the number is a even number. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. If you have this 5 digits in a ones place, then you can say it is a odd number. I think you got it now. Even numbers that can be paired and odd numbers cannot be paired. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 in a ones place, then that is a even number. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you have in ones place, then that is a odd number. So let's see the next topic, successor and predecessor. Do you remember what is successor? If I give you one number, can you write the next number after that number? Yes, you can write it, right? So if I give you 10, what will be the next number of 10? Yeah, of course it is 11. Am I right? What is the previous number of 10? 9. That is your predecessor. Predecessor means the number which comes before, and a successor means is the number which comes after. So that is your definition for predecessor and successor. Meaning for predecessor is the number which comes before is your predecessor and the number which comes after is your successor. So how will you write? How will you find the number? You know, if one number is given, just subtract -1. You will get the previous number, means the number before. If you need successor, just add one number to that number, given number, you will get the successor. Let's see one example for successor and predecessor. So let's see successor and predecessor. So what is predecessor? I told you a predecessor, a number which comes before. A number which comes before. That is your predecessor. And what is your successor? Successor is a number which comes after. For example, I am going to give you one number 387. So this is your number. How will you find the predecessor and successor? I told you predecessor is a number which comes before and successor is a number which comes after. So what will be the number before 387? Can you say what is the number before 387? You have to subtract 387 minus 1. 7 minus 1, 6. 8 you will write it as it is, and 3 also you will write it as it is. So 386. So 386 is your predecessor. And successor, I am going to find the successor for 387. The number which comes after. So 387 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 you can write it in the tens place as it is, and 3 you have in the ones place. Sorry, hundreds place. So 388 is your successor. I think you got the topic, even and odd number, successor and predecessor, and how to write the numerals for the given numbers. Am I right? That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye-bye.